It was black, all right, and thick and curly and long. The nurse loved to brush it, watching the curls roll up as the brush released them. And the patient's eyes, for all their listless stare, were a clear blue. Yet now and then a thin silver line of saliva fell down from the side of her mouth, making a dark circle on the bosom of her white nightgown. "It's a wonder somebody hasn't tried to steal those things," he said half to himself. "She's so helpless." She's so helpless. The nurse had given him a superior, knowing smile. "No one who's ever worked in this house would try that. But she sits all alone on that side porch by the hour. You can see her from the street." Laughter. "Don't worry about that, Doctor. No one around here is fool enough to come in that gate. Old Ronnie mows the lawn, but that's